Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited as I'll be decorating my kitchen, so let's get to it. I bought these flowers from IKEA and I paid about €14.99. I bought this candle from TJ Maxx and I bought this from IKEA as well. I love the vase and it was €7.99 as well. And if you guys remember, these are my odd spoons from my previous house in Ohio. I kept them and I bought each for $25 from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just reusing it. And this table, the table, as you can see, I bought the table from IKEA and it was on sale. I think I paid about €129 for it. And the chairs we bought from another store and they were like €45 each, and I like it. It goes well together. And then over here I have my fruit basket. I love the fruit basket here, so if the kids want to have a piece of fruit, they can just go to the sink and wash it out. I bought this basket here from TK Maxx and I think I paid about €14.99. And then over here, guys, when you look at this, when you look at these beautiful flowers, that's a live flower. All my flowers keep on dying, but that's a fresh flower. I had to squeeze it in there. That's how I broke my nail. So they are both live flowers. So I hope this one lasts because this is like the third bunch. But I bought the flowers were $14.99. I was surprised they were expensive. The vase, the white one, this one, I bought from Depot and I paid $4.99 or $7. And then this one is from IKEA. It came together with the flower. And then we have this. I bought this from Ross. This is where I usually put my wedding ring, my watch, and some coins. And I just love it there as it goes with the deco. And I bought it from Ross and it was $14.99 from the US. And then that's the same thing I have over here, the flower. And on the top there, guys, you remember my beautiful curtains? I'm going to put a link for these curtains. I bought them from Amazon and I love them. And they have them in different colors. I don't remember, they're cheap. They're less than $10 each and I bought 2 sets. And I put them there. And then over here by the sink, I have this. I bought from Depot and it was like €3 or €4, sorry. And I bought also this from Depot. It was how much? Oh, there's no price. I don't remember how much. Oh no, it's there. No, this was from TK Maxx. It was €5. And then this is from IKEA, guys. This is one of IKEA's soap dispensers. And I put it in the kitchen because it's really small. It's small and it kind of fits the kitchen because this kitchen is really small. And then over here, I have this beautiful vase I bought from IKEA. I think it was like $14.99 or $7.99 between the two. And the flowers, these are the flowers that were by the roses that were by the wine cart. And I kind of moved them here because I put different flowers there. And over here, I have these wooden spoons that you guys already saw. I bought them from the bazaar that happened here. And this I got from TK Maxx. No, I bought from the BX, and it's by John Legend's wife. She makes them. I think she's Christy Teigen, something like that. And then I bought these oil bottles from TK Maxx plus the salt cellar as well. And I also bought this from TK Maxx. No, I bought this from Depot. There's no price there. I bought it from Depot. It's like a garlic crusher or herbs. I also bought this. This is like, so it's the same. It's like stone. It's like a platter. You can put your pizza. You can use it for cutting, or you can use it for dishing. It's like a round table. And I just thought it would look nice to kind of bring the black into the kitchen. And I think it looks nice behind. So I like how this part looks. And then this wooden tray I also bought from Depot, and I paid about $7.99 or something like that. And then over here we just have my paper towel holder, and I bought this from the BX. It was a bit pricey. I think it was like $29. It's really heavy and it's really nice. I wanted to put a book there, but it didn't work. And then over here, you know, this wooden thing that I bought, it was like, I think 35 or something, I don't remember. And I thought it would look nice just to decorate the top of the microwave. And then over here, that's just my glass teapot. And as you can see, the good thing about this teapot is you can use it for cold and hot water. So you can have tea in there, and you can also have like hot drinks in there. So I really love it. And then over here is just the fridge. And then we come here on the table. We have this beautiful flower arrangement. I like how this turned out because I was looking for like a small arrangement here. I have a candle that's supposed to be here, which is similar to the material and the black, but I don't know why I misplaced it. And I love how everything looks. It really looks nice. This flower was expensive. It was €14.99, and this was €7.99, which I was surprised. So I really like how the kitchen turned out. And of course, I forgot to put that. That's my kitchen towel. It says, "This kitchen gathers food, friends, and family." You know, I like my stuff with words on it. I love that, and it looks really nice. It goes well with my decor. And I forgot to tell you about this one. This one I got in Ohio from TK Maxx, and I paid, I don't remember how much I paid, but it was less than $20. And it's actually from Home Goods. And you know, it's just the kitchen measurements, conversion, and stuff like that. And I thought it was neat, and I put it there. So this is a small kitchen compared to what I had in Ohio. So I hope you guys liked the finished product of this kitchen. I think it looks really nice. It's simple but elegant and modern. I didn't, you know, this is a small kitchen, so I didn't want to be, you know, like crowd the kitchen. I wanted it to be simple and realistic. And yeah, so this is the kitchen, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And over there I have my husband and I's wedding picture. And yeah, I thought it would go well with the green. And over there, that one goes with the dining room decor. So yeah, I really like how everything turned out. Let me know what was your favorite piece and what you liked the most, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye.